Good morning, guys. I'm so super excited. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this video, right? So it's a Sunday morning. I'm so super excited. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I was able to generate over 1.2 million naira, around $2,000 within the first 72 hours. Now, if you're watching this video, it means you are interested on how to make money online. Either you're a graduate, you're working, you're undergraduate, or you're unemployed and you're interested to make money. I'm going to show you how I was able to generate over $1,000 plus or over 1 million naira, and how I will also teach you the particular system that enabled me to have such kind of money. All right, so now you'll be asking, what is the requirement? The requirement is just $75. If you can afford $75, around 47,000 naira in Nigerian money, then you're good to go. Quickly, I'm going to show you my result. I'm also going to show you the testimony of my fellow team members that saw this ad just like you and decided to follow the lead. All right, so let's go in. I'm going to show you. I am in my Trust Wallet. I'm inside my Trust Wallet, guys. So look at this. Look at this Binance Peg. How we're about to make this money is in Binance Peg. It's going to be in crypto, right? You can withdraw to your bank account. Look at, I have $1,018. But guess what? I've made withdrawals. So let's click here. I'll show you what I've withdrew. This morning I've withdrew $200. This is another $200. That's $4. This is $550. This is $6. This is around $700. Look at it. So you can see if you add up all these, I've made over $2,000. That does it. $2,000 within 72 hours. Yes. Now, hold on. Here you can see this Yashim. You can see his testimony, $150. Okay. You see this another person, $76 here. Adenike. Okay. Right now, I am in my archive, my gallery. I want to show you people's result. This is not mine. This is one of my team members, $725. Okay, so let's see. They are much. I can show you. Look at someone, $223 BUSD. This is $600. Okay. This guy is $500. Guys, this is $743. $502. Guys. So which business am I talking about that has this ability to give you this mind-blowing? It's called the what? XOXO. XOXO is XOXO. All right, so XO have finally been launched. Actually, supposed to be for 23rd, but it was launched on 21st. And right now, I can tell you this is crazy smart contract on Binance Change. Total 100% transparency. Everybody is a winner. You refer or you don't refer, you still make money. So now, if you are actually interested to make money, you're trying to look for how to make money online, I've shown you. All right, just all you need to do, you're interested, just drop XOXO in the comment below, and I'm going to send you the link right away. Yes, just tap in XOXO in the description link or click the ad, and I'm going to send you the full information. Guys, it's time to make money, guys. So I look forward to see you inside. All right, just click the link for more information.